The Farberware 3-piece kitchen cutting board set is a valuable addition to any kitchen offering functionality and durability to enhance your cooking experience. Crafted by Farberware, a trusted brand in kitchenware, these cutting boards are designed to meet the needs of both amateur chefs and culinary experts. Made from high-quality wood, these cutting boards boast a natural color that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. The set includes 3 boards of varying sizes: a large board measuring 11 inches by 14 inches, a medium board measuring 8 inches by 10 inches, and a small board measuring 5.5 inches by 8 inches. This range of sizes allows you to choose the ideal board for different tasks, from slicing fruits to preparing meats. One standout feature of this set is its reversible design, providing you with double the cutting surface while also aiding in preventing cross-contamination of food. The rectangular shape of the boards offers ample space for cutting and preparing.
I recently had the opportunity to test the KitchenAid Classic plastic cutting board, and I must say I was thoroughly impressed with its quality and performance. This cutting board, in a sleek white-gray color, is a perfect addition to any kitchen setting. The dimensions of 13.98 L into 11.02 W into 0.59 C are ideal for various kitchen tasks, providing enough space for chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients with ease. The use of durable plastic material ensures long-lasting durability, making it a reliable tool for everyday cooking. One notable feature of this cutting board is its non-slip design, which provides stability during food preparation, enhancing safety in the kitchen. The rectangular shape offers ample surface area for food prep activities, making it versatile for different types of cutting tasks. Keeping this cutting board clean is hassle-free, as it requires hand washing only. The lightweight design, weighing just 1.94 pounds, makes it easy to handle and store when.
The Farberware large cutting board is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Crafted by Farberware, a trusted brand in kitchenware, this cutting board offers a spacious surface area of 14 inches in length, 11 inches in width, and 0.5 inches in thickness. The board's rectangular shape provides ample space for various food preparation tasks. Constructed from high-quality synthetic material, this cutting board is designed to withstand daily kitchen use. Its non-porous surface prevents the absorption of odors and liquids, ensuring food safety and easy cleanup. The board is dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. One of the standout features of the Farberware large cutting board is its practical design. The board comes with a built-in handle, allowing for convenient transportation and storage. Additionally, it is reversible, providing 2 cutting surfaces for added versatility. Whether you are slicing, dicing, or chopping, this cutting board delivers reliable performance.
Freshware. Cutting board set of 3. Juice grooves with easy grip handles, offers a practical and versatile solution for all your kitchen cutting needs. The set of 3 plastic cutting boards in varying sizes: 16L into 9.8, W into 0.3, are designed for efficiency and ease of use. The Freshware cutting boards are made from high-quality durable plastic that is non-porous and easy to clean, making them a hygienic choice for food preparation. The built-in juice groove feature helps to contain liquids from meats, fruits, or vegetables, ensuring a mess-free cooking experience. One of the key highlights of this product is the easy grip handles that provide a secure and comfortable hold, enhancing stability and control while cutting. Additionally, the cutting boards are reversible, allowing you to maximize their use and minimize the risk of cross-contamination. Moreover, the lightweight and heat-resistant nature of the cutting boards make them an ideal choice for every day.
The Freshware bamboo cutting boards for kitchen are a versatile and eco-friendly addition to any culinary space. This set of 3 cutting boards is designed to provide a durable and sustainable surface for all your food preparation needs. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, these cutting boards are not only sturdy but also gentle on your knives, ensuring that they remain sharp for longer. The natural bamboo material is known for its antimicrobial properties, making it a hygienic choice for handling various types of foods. With dimensions of 11L into 8.5 W into 0.4, these rectangular cutting boards offer ample space for chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients. The set includes 3 different sizes catering to various cutting tasks in the kitchen. One standout feature of these cutting boards is their eco-friendliness. Bamboo is a renewable resource that grows quickly and requires minimal water and pesticides to thrive, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumer.